Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. In this chapter, we will study about the basic geometrical concepts like point, line, line segment, etc. Geometry. Geometry is made from two words, geo and metry. Geo means earth and metry means measurement. Geometry is that part of mathematics which deals with objects such as points, lines, line segments, rays, angles, etc. In this chapter, we will construct geometrical figures and study their properties. Point. A dot made by a sharp tip of pencil is known as point. Just see this sharp tip of this pen. If I put a dot, this is a point. And we can write its name using any capital letter. Properties. A point has no size. It does not have length, breadth or height. It determines the location. It is denoted by a capital letter. What does it mean? It determines the location. It tells us about the location. For example, if we see the political map of India, in this states and their capitals are shown. Jammu and Kashmir, its capital is Srinagar and it is denoted by a dot. It means this point represents the location of its capital. In the same way, here Rajasthan is present and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur and Jaipur is denoted by this dot. It means this dot or this point is telling us the location of Jaipur. In the same way, all the capitals are denoted by a dot or a point. Next is a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. Properties. It has fixed endpoints. Its length is fixed. We can write its name by using two capital letters at the fixed endpoints, AB or BA. Just above it, we will put the sign of a line segment. Line segment AB or line segment BA. So what do you mean by line segment? Line segment means the length between two fixed endpoints. Just see this notebook. This is fixed endpoint and this is another fixed endpoint. If we measure this line, this is known as a line segment because edge of this notebook is fixed and we can measure its length. So it is a good example of line segment. Or we can say edge of the door, edge of the ruler, edge of your pen, edge of this laptop, everything, straight thing. The length which we can measure with the help of scale is known as line segment. Next definition is a line. A line is obtained when a line segment extended endlessly both sides. This was a line segment and if we extend it in both the direction, we will get a line. Arrow shows that they are endlessly. We can extend them endlessly. Properties. We cannot measure a line. It is denoted by two capital letters. This is a symbol of line. Line PQ or we can write it in reverse order also, line QP. Sometimes it is denoted by a small letter. Instead of writing two capital letters, we can represent it using a small letter. Lines are of two types. Intersecting lines. When two lines cut or cross each other at a point, then the lines are known as intersecting lines. Have you ever seen a line? Just imagine you are standing at a highway and you can see the road, that the road is endlessly extended in both the direction. So a highway is a good example of line. Intersecting lines. Just see these two wooden strips. So this is, I cannot take two lines. So these are two line segments. Just think they are two line segments. If they cut each other, then these two line segments are known as intersecting line segments. and if they cut each other at 90 degree, this angle is L shape. L shape angle is known as 90 degree angle. If two line segments cut each other at 90 degree, then the lines are known as perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, when two lines cut each other at 90 degree, then the lines are known as perpendicular lines. Here XY and MN are two perpendicular lines. Next is parallel lines. When two lines do not meet at any point, such lines are called parallel lines. Such lines always keep a fixed distance from each other. AB and CD are two parallel lines. The distance between them is same everywhere. So, if we put these two wooden strips in this way, these are two parallel lines. Or we can say opposite edges of this strip is a good example of parallel lines. Opposite edges of this notebook, this edge and this edge, the distance between them is same everywhere. So opposite edges of a notebook, opposite edges of a table, opposite edges of a scale are parallel lines. Next is ray. A ray is a portion of line. It starts at one point called starting point and goes endlessly in other direction. Here I have drawn a ray. This is fixed endpoint and it can extend in other direction endlessly. That's why on other side I have kept an arrow. It is denoted by ray AB. We cannot write it as BA because starting point of a ray is always written first. We cannot write its name in reverse order.